Welcome to this session on performance load and stress testing, three crucial types of non-functional testing that ensure your application performs reliably under various conditions. Let's begin with performance testing. This type of testing evaluates how quickly and efficiently a system responds to user actions or data processing. It measures speed, responsiveness, scalability, and resource usage under typical workloads. Performance testing answers questions like, how fast does the application respond to a request? How many transactions can it process per second? What is the average response time under normal conditions? Key metrics include response time, throughput, CPU and memory usage, error rates. Performance testing helps identify bottlenecks before users do and ensures a smooth experience across devices and environments. Now, let's explore load testing. Load testing checks how the system behaves under increasing volumes of users, transactions, or data. It helps determine the system's capacity and breaking point under expected workloads. For example, you might simulate 1,000 users accessing a login page simultaneously or processing 10,000 database queries per hour. Load testing shows how performance degrades as the load grows. The goal is to validate system stability under peak traffic, consistent response times under load, proper scaling of infrastructure, horizontal or vertical. Load testing is critical for applications with seasonal spikes or product launches. Next is stress testing. While load testing checks performance under expected conditions, stress testing pushes the system beyond its limits to see how it handles failure. This includes overloading the server with more users than it can handle, simulating server crashes, network interruptions, or database timeouts, observing how the system recovers from failure. Stress testing reveals how robust, resilient, and graceful the system is under extreme pressure. It's not about breaking things, it's about understanding where and how they might break. Tools commonly used for performance and load testing include JMeter, LoadRunner, Gatling, Locust, BlazeMeter. Best practices: define clear performance goals up front, SLA response time targets, test in production-like environments, monitor system metrics alongside test results, conduct baseline load and stress tests iteratively, report bottlenecks clearly with graphs and logs. To recap, performance testing validates response time and system efficiency. Load testing evaluates behavior under expected volume. Stress testing examines stability and recovery under extreme conditions. In the next session, we'll dive into security testing, how to safeguard your app from vulnerabilities and threats. Let's keep building.